friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Lily Lovebraids from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the hair. We're going to start with that right bang. So starting in the middle here, we're going to curve this line around, tucking that back through and over to the right. Now starting on the top, we're going to curve this around. So we're going to curve this up, tucking this down and in to that point. Let's step over. On the left, we're going to curve this out, down and across on the left hand side. And now from that point, tucking this back down, up, and then following that through to the right. Before we draw in the rest of the hair, let's draw in the bottom of the face. So starting on the left hand side, we're going to curve this around, pulling that in towards the center of the chin. We're going to replicate that on the opposite side, curving this around, pulling that in, blending that together. Let's close off the ear. On the left-hand side, drawing in a half circle, and then we'll do the same, lining that up at the same height on the right. We're going to add like a little spiral inside of her ear now. So starting on the side, just curving this around, pulling that over and back through, and then replicating that on the right-hand side as well. Curving that across. Let's draw in the eyes. So starting in the center, stepping over, we're going to curve this line out on the left, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, just leaving a gap in the middle. Now from here on the left hand side, we're going to curve this around and over towards the hair on the top, and then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now coming over on the opposite side, curving that around and up to the top. We're going to add in the pupil here. So stepping further in on the eye, we're going to draw in a circle. We'll do this on both sides at the same time. And then we'll just color in that pupil black. Now let's draw in the mouth. So right in the middle, we're going to draw in a small arch line, curving that over. And then on both sides, we're going to blend this line back in, curving that around and out to the top. Let's close this off with a big arch line underneath. Now in the center, just drawing in a straight line coming down for the teeth. We'll step out, leaving a gap, replicating that, leaving an even amount of space on both sides. And then stepping across again, replicating that. Now let's come down for the dress. So on the left-hand side for the shoulder, we're going to curve this line out. And then on the right, we're going to arch this down on a diagonal. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, we're just going to close that off underneath with a curved line. Let's add in the details on the top. So again, moving further up, just curving that out. Now on both sides for the strap, we're just going to curve this up on either side. We're going to come down in the middle, drawing in a star. So we're going to curve this up and down on a diagonal, ending that at the same height. We'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. So bringing this line out, tucking that back in on both sides. Again, let's come down. So on a diagonal, tucking that around and in. Let's draw in a circle. So on the left-hand side, we'll draw in our first circle. And then we'll flip across on the right and replicate that. Let's come down for the dress. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line out to the side. And then from that point, we're going to curve this in. Now from here, we're going to bring this diagonal line out and then back up. Again, let's bring this line down, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to tuck that back up to the middle, joining both of those lines together. We're going to add in some triangles in these open spaces now. So we'll start on the left, and then we'll flip across on the right. Now let's move under. We're going to replicate that again, bringing this down and up. And then right in the middle. Now from here underneath, we're going to curve this line out, ending that at the same width, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to close this off, curving that up. Let's focus on our right arm first because this is going to be bent, kind of holding the skirt behind. So we're going to start on the top here, curving this out, bending that at the elbow, tucking that in. We'll step up. We're going to round out the hand, pulling that through. And then from that point, just tugging that back over and up. Let's draw in a small diagonal line, closing that off on the side. Let's come up for that left arm. We're going to curve this diagonal line coming through beside the ear. We'll line this up at the same height on the left, pulling that back down. Let's draw on the thumb. So we're going to round this out, curving this over, tucking that back in. Let's draw on that pointer finger pointing up. So we're going to curve this up, tucking this around, pulling that back down. Let's step over for that finger, curving this around and in. Moving down slightly from that finger, we're just going to replicate that, curving that around, pulling that back up. And then we'll just do this one more time. So we're going to curve this around, tucking that in. And now from here underneath, just curving this over and across, connecting that together. Let's come down for the legs. So we're going to step on either side of this upside down triangle here. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. We'll end that at the same height. We'll step across, lining that up at the same height again, pulling that up. Let's close this off with a curved line. Let's move in behind. So from that edge, we're just going to curve this around, tucking this over, and then back in on the inside. Now from here on both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out, ending those at the same height. And then we'll close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Now from here on the top for the star, pointing this up, pulling that back down. On either side now, bringing this out, tucking that back in on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come down on the left-hand side on a diagonal, pulling this out and back up. And then we'll replicate that on the right too, pulling that over and back in. Now for the foot. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this out and down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to pull that in. These feet are going to kind of be pointing towards each other, but we're going to leave a gap in the center. So we're going to come in on this line and we're going to curve this around, tucking that over and through, connecting that. We'll just do the exact same thing, leaving a small gap on the right. Now for the sole of the shoe, just closing that off with a curved line. And then for the very front of the shoe, just arching that across. Now let's draw in the big braid behind. So starting with the top of the head here. On this left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, tucking this around and down towards the hair on the side. And then we'll continue to pull that through underneath to our ear. Let's step up now. So on this left-hand side, we're going to round this out, curving this over and in. And then again, one more time, arching this around and back down. Let's come up. We're going to curve this line over and through on a diagonal. And then from that point, we're just going to pull this back down and in. Again, let's move up. So we're going to curve this out from that point, rounding that out, pulling that back in. We're going to continue this braid as it comes into her arm now. So underneath, curving this out on a diagonal again. And then from this point, pulling this around and back up. Let's come down underneath, curving this out. And then again from that point, just pulling this around and through. Let's come down, curving this out. And then again from this point, pulling this back up. Let's step in, curving this around again, ending this point. Just imagine that there's a line coming through. So these all line up as we curve in. And then again, from that point, just curving this back around and up. Step down one more time, curving this in. And then from that point, arching that around and back up. Now let's come down, curving this line through. And then again, pulling this around and over on the side. Now from here on the top, we're just gonna curve that across. And then we're gonna round that out underneath, attaching that coming through. We're gonna pull this through on the left-hand side now. So beside the skirt here, we're gonna curve this down. And then we'll pull this back up on the left. Let's step down again, curving this around and in. And then again, just pulling that back through underneath. We're gonna round this out to the foot. So we're gonna curve this over even further, bringing that in. And then from that point again, curving that back up. Now from here, tucking this around, curving this out. And then again, we're just gonna pull this back up on the inside. Now, let's curve that out to the foot. And then we'll just pull this back around and in on the top. Let's come underneath, curving this out on the bottom and the top. We'll imagine that this comes through in between both of our feet, curving that around on the top and bottom. Now on the side, curving that out. And then from that point, pulling that back in. Now from here on the top, rounding that out, curving that across. And then we'll just pull that back underneath again. We're gonna do this 2 more times. So curving this out, pulling that back in. 1 more time, curving that out, pulling that back down, making this one smaller. We're gonna draw in the little hair tie here. So we're just gonna round this out, curving this over, pulling that back through. Let's draw on the end of the hair. So on the left-hand side, we're gonna curve this out, in, and then back up to the top. And then from that point, we're just gonna curve this back around and down. Now let's step up. We're gonna curve this over, pulling that in on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Lily Love Braids from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.